Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear friends, I'm Sindhu Suresh. In this video we are discussing about some important questions from the chapter Quadratic Equations. We know what are quadratic equations. They are power 2 equations and the general form is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 where a, b and c are real numbers. What is discriminant of a quadratic equation? B square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. To get the two values of x, we can use the quadratic formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. See the under root expression, it is b square minus 4ac and this is the discriminant. We have studied that if we write anything under root, it must be greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise, we get not real numbers. So here, the under root expression is discriminant. We should write greater than or equal to 0 to get the real roots. So see the condition. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 means that time we will get two real roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means the discriminant less than 0, that time the roots are not real numbers. So we can write this next condition, b square minus 4ac less than 0, that time the roots are not real. So we write no real roots for that quadratic equation. The first condition, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, there we get real roots, two roots will be real, but that condition we can split as two different conditions. First we can write if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, what happens? We write only greater than. And the second condition we write if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then what we get? Greater than or equal to, we split it. B square minus 4ac greater than 0 means that time we get two distinct real roots. We get real roots, but those real roots will be different, distinct. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that time also we get real roots, but the real roots are equal. So we get two equal real roots. B square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant, and if we get a quadratic equation from the discriminant, we can say what is the nature of its roots. Look at the question. Write the discriminant of the quadratic equation x plus 7 the whole square equals 2 times 7x minus 8. What we need? Discriminant. What is the formula? B square minus 4ac. But look at the quadratic equation given. It is not arranged. We have to arrange in standard form. First we need to arrange the equation. Both sides bracket we are going to remove. The left side we remove the bracket using the identity a plus b the whole square. So we get x square plus 2 times x times 7 that is 14x plus 7 square that is 49 is equal to the right side multiply with 2 and remove the bracket. 2 times 7x 14x. Then 2 times minus 8 minus 16. Left side and right side same term 14x we could cancel. If you move 14 from the right side to the left side, it becomes minus 14 and it get automatically cancelled. Otherwise directly you can cancel like this. Then the remaining terms x square plus 49 minus 16 we can move to the left side, it becomes plus 16 is equal to 0. 49 plus 16. What answer we get? X square right same and then 49 plus 16 is 65 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. X square plus 65 is equal to 0. But there is no term with x. That means a is 1 but b is 0. B is the coefficient of x, that is 0. And c is 65. Constant. So we can write what is b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. B is 0. So b square is 0 square. That is 0. Minus 4 times 8 times c. 4 times 1 times 65. Then we get the answer minus 4 times 1. 4 times 65. 65 multiply with 4. 4 5 20. Then 2 4 6 24 plus 2 26. Minus is there, then we write the answer 260. So we get b square minus 4ac equals minus 260. What is b square minus 4ac? This is the discriminant. So we need to find b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant. See the question, write the discriminant. So we can write discriminant is equal to minus 260. Let's look at the second question. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. We need the nature of roots. How we get from the discriminant? What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. And if the discriminant greater than 0, then the roots are distinct real roots. If the discriminant equals 0, then the roots will be two real equal roots. And if discriminant less than 0, that time there will be no real roots. Okay, now we can find the discriminant of the given equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. What is A? A equals coefficient of x square, that is 2. B is minus 4, coefficient of x, and C is 3. We have A, B, C ready. Now we can write b square minus 4ac. What is the answer we get? It is b is minus 4. That means b square becomes minus 4 square. Minus 4ac. 4 times 2 times 3. That is equal to minus 4 square. Negative number raised to even power. We get the answer positive. What answer we get? We get positive 16. Minus 4 square is positive 16. Minus 4 times 2 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 16 minus 24. What we get? Minus 8. See, the answer we are getting, this is a negative number. That means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Smaller than 0. Under root expression we are getting smaller than 0. Then what type of roots it has? It has no real roots. The roots are not real. Is it clear? Okay, look at the next question. For what values of k does the quadratic equation 4x square minus 12x minus k equals 0 has no real roots? If we see no real roots, then remember the condition. What is that? B square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, less than 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. How we get that? From the quadratic equation. First we can write what is a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x square. Here it is 4. B is minus 12. That is the coefficient of x. And c is, here it is minus k. A, b, c are ready. Replace in this discriminant. Minus 12 the whole square minus 4 times a is 4 and c is minus k. Less than 0. No real roots means less than 0. Minus 12 square, 144. Minus and again minus becomes plus. 4 times k, 16k, less than 0. We want the value of k. So we can move the number 144 to the right side. It becomes minus 144. 16k less than minus 144. Both sides we could divide with the 16 to get the value of k. Left side 16 over 16 and the right side minus 144 over 16. Left side we get k because 16 cancelled. Minus 144 over 16. If you want, you can cancel first with the 4, numerator and denominator. And again we can cancel by 4. Or directly we can cancel with 16. Then we get there 9. K less than minus 9. See, I will show you how can we cancel minus 144 with the 16. Minus 144 by 16. First cancel 16 with the 4. 16 means 4 times 4, 16. Numerator Cancel by 4. 3 times for 12 and then 2 balance. 6 times for 24. Again 4 times 1 4 and 4 times 9 36 minus 9. So we get the value k less than minus 9. So we can say the given equation has no real roots when k less than minus 9. Next question, find the values of k for which the quadratic equation 3x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0 has real equal roots. Real equal roots, that means here also we need the discriminant. If the discriminant equal to 0, we get 2 equal real roots. Okay, what is the discriminant? It is b square minus 4ac. We need to get this is equal to 0 because it has equal roots. So what is a, b and c? When we use a, b, c, we get the value of k. A equals 3, b equals here it is k and c equals 3. A, b, c are ready. Now substitute in this discriminant. We get k square because b is k minus 4 times 3 times 3 equal to 0. K square minus, then what answer we get there? 4 3 12 times 3 36 equal 0. We can move that minus 36 to the right side. Then we get only k square on the left side equals plus 36. K square equals 36. What is the value of k? Take the square root. Root of 36. When we take the square root of a number, we get positive or negative value, plus or minus 6. So what values of k for which the equation has 2 real equal roots? K, the values are plus 6 and minus 6 because it is plus or minus 6. K equals plus 6 or k equals minus 6. Next question. For what values of k, the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus k equals 0 are real? So what is the condition to get real roots? Discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Greater than means real distinct roots. Equal means real equal roots. So we write them together. To get the real roots, the condition is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. From the given quadratic equation, we can write what is a, b and c. A equals 1, b equals 4 and c equals k. Now we can write what is the discriminant, that is what is b square minus 4ac. This is equal to b is 4. So what is b square? 4 square minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1 times c is k. 4 times 1 times k. 16 minus 4k. If the roots are real, we know that b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now we got b square minus 4ac as 16 minus 4k. So we can write 16 minus 4k greater than or equal to 0. To get the value of k, we can move the term with the k to the right side. 16 in one side minus 4k we can move to the right side as positive 4k. 16 greater than or equal to 4k. Divide both sides with the 4. 16 over 4 and 4k over 4. 4 and 4 cancel, we get the value of k. 16 by 4 is 4. So we can write 4 greater than or equal to k. From here we understand the equation has real roots when 4 greater than or equal to k. The values of k we can say as 4 greater than or equal to k. Look at this question. Find the value of k for which x equals 2 is a solution of the equation kx square plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. It is given x equals 2 is a solution. That means x equals 2 satisfies the equation. We can replace x with the number 2 so that the right side equals 0. We can do that. Since x equals 2 is a solution, we can replace the equation with 2. Then the right side is equal to 0. So I'm going to write that k times 2 square. We change x with the number 2. Plus 2 times 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. K times 2 square. 2 square is 4. So we get the first term 4k. 4 times k is 4k plus 2 times 2, 4. Minus 3 equal 0. 4 minus 3, how much? It is 1. 4k plus 1 is equal to 0. Move 1 to the right side so that it becomes minus 1. 4k is equal to minus 1. How to get the value of k? Divide both sides by 4. 4 over 4 and then minus 1 over 4. 4 over 4 means 4 cancel. So we get k equals minus 1 over 4. See, this is the value of k. See, we have practiced very important questions. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.